If you've ever looked at your new hire sitting there on day 3 looking a little lost and thought, I think our onboarding could be better, you're absolutely right. Because the brutal truth is that most onboarding is a complete disaster. New hires are left wandering around like they're in a maze, managers are drowning in trying to figure out what to teach them, and nobody really knows what success actually looks like. But here is the good news. Today, I'm going to walk through 5 of the biggest onboarding fails that are killing your team's productivity and show you exactly how to fix each one in less than 5 minutes. Trust me, by the end of this video, you'll never look at onboarding in the same way again. So let's dive in. Fail number 1 is, oh wait, I forgot you were starting today. The number of companies where new hires show up on a Monday morning to absolutely nothing. No plan, no computer access, no welcome, no clue. It's honestly a bit embarrassing. Your new hire drove to work all excited about their new role, and instead they're now just sitting there wondering if they've made a huge mistake. Here's the fix, and it literally takes up 5 minutes or so to set up. Create a simple pre-day 1 workflow. Schedule a welcome email that goes out 3 days before they start. Send them a calendar invite into their intro call and assign them a buddy, someone who is actually excited to help them. As a bonus tip, you can use Waybook to automatically assign all of the welcome documents, everything they need for their day 1 essentials, and an intro video to you, taking them through all of the day 1 checklists, the tools access, the team introductions, and it's something you can set up once, and then every new hire gets the red carpet treatment. Fail number 2 is training by fire, also known as the just follow Karen around strategy. But here's the problem with Karen. Karen is triple booked. Karen absolutely hates training people, and Karen actually has zero idea what this new hire actually needs to learn in order to be successful. So your new hire spends their first week watching over somebody, being slightly overwhelmed, learning exactly nothing about their actual job. The fix is to create a basic onboarding structure that doesn't rely on your busiest person. Document the top 10 tasks for this specific role, add screen recordings, walking through each of the individual processes step by step, and break that down into daily assignments so they're not drowning. As a bonus tip, you can record your screen in Waybook using Waybook shots. So you do the process or procedure once, you drop them into Waybook, and then everything is structured and organized by role. It will assign it to the new hires automatically. Karen gets her sanity back, your new hire actually learns their job, and you, my friend, look like an organizational genius. Fail number 3 is the login labyrinth. Your new hire just spent 2 hours trying to figure out how to access your Slack or your Microsoft Teams, figuring out where their email lives, what the HR portal is called, and hunting down some mysterious document with all of their login information. 2 hours of their first day gone. And they haven't even started learning their actual job yet. So here's what you can do instead. Centralize everything into one place. Create a start here or a welcome document with all of the tools that they'll need. Directly link them to the logins or your password management for the credentials. And for each individual role, you can have an explainer video of for each platform, how they get access and why it's important. As a tip in Waybook, you can link everything into a day 1 or a week 1 checklist with embedded videos linked to the passwords and have one clear view with zero hunting, maximum momentum from minute 1. Fail number 4 is the culture vacuum. You've spent hours training them on the software, the processes, the policies, the procedures, but you completely forgot to onboard them into your team. So they know how to use the CRM, but they actually don't have any ideas about the company values, who the people are, or how they fit into the bigger picture. The fix here is easy. Integrate culture starting on moment 1. Introduce your core values and don't just list them, actually explain what they mean in practice. Share a personal video from the founder or some of the team leaders about why this work matters, and encourage those casual one-on-ones for asynchronous team introductions. Quick Waybook tip, add a meet the team section with a short video introduction from each of your team. You can even add fun values quizzes to make it more interactive, and share an org chart so everybody knows where people fit into the business, and that really enables culture to become sticky when it becomes more personal and engaging. Fail number 5 is the onboarding cliff. You absolutely nailed week 1. They felt supported, they learned the basics, everything was going great, and then you fall off of a cliff. No follow-up, No growth plan, no check-ins, just radio silence. So by week 3, they're sitting there wondering what they're supposed to be working on, or whether they're actually doing well, and if anyone actually cares about their success. So here's how you fix it. You can build a real 30, 60, and 90-day roadmap. You can define clear KPIs for each milestone, schedule regular progress reviews that actually happen, and gradually ramp up the complexity of the work they're doing as they're growing, not just surviving. As a quick Waybook tip, create a learning pathway to assign onboarding content that unfolds over the first 3, 4, 5 weeks. You can even set up automatic reminders, build in check-in points, and then everyone stays aligned, nothing falls through the cracks, and everybody is supported. If you've recognized even just one of these fails in your own company, and let's be honest, you may have actually recognized a few, it's time to level up your onboarding game. And here's the best part, you don't need an entire HR department to make it happen, you just need the right systems. I've put together a free checklist that breaks down exactly how to fix each one of these fails, which you can grab on the link in the description below. Or if you want to see how this all works in practice, try it inside of Waybook on a free trial today. Plug it in, press play, start onboarding like the pro you were always meant to be. For more on onboarding, check out this video on how to onboard remote hires in your business, and I encourage you to go forth and onboard well. And until next time, I hope you enjoy some smooth scaling.